Hi, in this short video we're going to be looking at how to run an interactive demo using WebEx. Before you start, you need to open up your demo file. So let's start from our WebEx window. You go up here to the Share menu, then Application, and then choose the relevant one. After a few seconds, both you and the participants should see the screen. The first thing I always do is get the participants to add the chat and the participants screen. They do this by hovering over the green bar at the very top of the screen and then click on Participants and then Chat. And I do it too while I'm telling them, so I make sure I've got my panels showing. You can see that these line up here over on the right hand side. Great. Once that's done, I just ask them to use the tick icon to confirm that they're seeing both the software and the two panels, and then I know I'm good to go. So now I'm free to run the demo using all the usual interaction tools, so I can use my hands up, my tick and my cross, get them to open up their mics. If necessary, at any stage I can pause, and I do this by going back up to that green bar and clicking on the pause icon. And that might allow me to add a bit more detail to one of these screens or go and find another file that I want to use. As soon as I'm ready, I just click back up on the green bar and go to Resume. You may want your participants to annotate the screen. Hover over the green bar at the top and then over on the right choose Annotate. From this toolbar, click on Allow to Annotate and choose All. So you and all of the participants can now add whatever annotations they like. If you want to remove any, you can just use the eraser. And again, both you and the participants can do that. Once you've had enough, you click on Stop Annotating, the toolbar will disappear and all the marks with it. Another interaction tool you might want to use is to pass over control of the keyboard and mouse. So up to the green bar again, then click on Assign, and then Pass Keyboard and Mouse Control. Choose the person that you want from the list. Now you'll get a message to confirm this, and so will they. Now while they've got the mouse, you need to be completely hands off, otherwise it can turn into a little bit of tug of war. Once they've finished clicking, you might want to take back control. So go back up to Assign, pass control, and then click on the person's name again to kind of remove that option. I found it works best to warn them when you're about to do this so that you're not both trying to use the mouse at the same time. So let's imagine we've now finished our demo. So we could move on to share something else by going straight up here to Share. But to get back to the main WebEx window, we just click on Stop Sharing. And those are the tools that I use most often when I'm running a demonstration in WebEx. Now, if you're doing a workshop with someone and if you want to be able to see files on their computer, for example, helping them troubleshoot something that's gone wrong, you'll need to make them the presenter. You do this by passing them the ball. So if I click on the ball here and just drag it to their name. You'll then need to give them the relevant instructions to go up to the Share menu and share the application that they need help with. I hope that's been useful for you. Thanks for joining me today.